All right, what is up, y'all? So I just picked up this new car. Yeah, I just bought a Hellcat. I'll tell y'all the story later, but I just picked this up right now. I'm about to go to my grandma's house. You can see 700 horsepower on the dash or on the screen. Okay, I'm finna leave it in default right now. But yeah, I'm going to probably record some content tonight. But I don't want to, I'm still trying to get used to the car, so I'll do the best I can. But I'm gonna go to my grandma's house, so I'll probably record some clips there. But yeah, if y'all enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and yeah. All right, what is up, YouTube? I am back, but with a different car. I crashed my other car. I'll probably put some clips of it like at the beginning of the video. But yeah, it's my new car. I bought a Hellcat. I mean, shoot, I don't really know what to say, but freaking buying a Hellcat at 18, like, bro, I don't know. I barely just got the car, so I didn't really like push it to its potential yet. But I mean, like, bro, this junk crazy. And then on the inside, freaking, bro, I got carbon fiber on here. I just put this on last night. Over there, like, it kind of crops out the SRT, but I mean, shoot, it's still good. And then this one came from factory. I put this on. This is probably my favorite one. But yeah, it's a 2017 Challenger Hellcat. It got all mufflers and cats and stuff, so it's not crazy loud, but it's loud enough. Yeah, it's nothing crazy, but I'll get that fixed soon. Or not fixed, but I'll change that soon. But yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all a little POV, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Still learning the car, so and then I gotta do I'm gonna do like an intake, because bro, the wine is good, but it's freaking, let me turn on the AC. Not the AC. I can make the wine louder, because it's loud right now, but nah, we need it louder. Can't wait to start modding it. Bro, up here, tell me why they added street lights over here. Like, bro, what's the point of these? Like, bro, a stop sign would suffice, or whatever it's called. But yeah, I can go down here, right? Yeah, okay. The wine's crazy. And let me enjoy my night. I cannot see at this damn tent. Bro, that wine is, oh my god. Drives good. It's got track, sport, default, eco, valet, whatever you want. Oh, there's traffic. Bro, that's crazy. The one thing about California, there's traffic at 11:17 at night. What the hell? Down street real quick. Bro, the wine. Bro, when you're going on the street, the wine is loud enough, but on the freeway, oh my god, bro. Yeah, I'm finna put mid pipes, Valvetronic muffler, because on my last car, bro, that car was like hella loud. Like, bro, I couldn't even, every time I drove it, I got like anxiety, because I was watching out for cops and whatnot. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but Valvetronic, so I can make it quiet when I want it like crazy loud. I think that'll put me in like some peace of mind. So, and then B Woody intake and underground tune. I'm gonna try and do like 850 horsepower. Probably be in like a couple months or next year. We'll see kind of what happens. Got a wide body it too. We're gonna wide body it. I'm gonna put it on probably coilovers, cause with bags, dude, cutting up here. With bags, I think it like messes with performance and whatnot. So probably do coilovers, and then I might wrap it a different color. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Bro, why are you in the? Oh my god, I'm away. Yeah, and then there was one more thing I wanted to do to it. Oh yeah, the starlights, bro. I'm gonna try and do the starlights this time. I think I'm gonna do like the Hellcat logo, and then I'm gonna do 1200 stars. I'm gonna try and do it myself. There's no way. Damn. Alright, well, I'm gonna bust a U-turn, and then I will catch y'all when I am back in not traffic. Alright, finally traffic, well, traffic ain't even clear up, but traffic did clear up, because they had closed the exits, and I couldn't even get off, so I had to go through the whole entire thing. But yeah, I'm going basically same freeway, just the other way now. See if we can find anybody to drive with. I think I see somebody, but we'll wait and see. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, you know, subscribe, like, comment, say something. And yeah, this looks like somebody to drive with. Crazy, bro. I would do it with the windows open, but I don't got an intake, so you're just gonna hit air. Like, bro, look at all that traffic. That is crazy, bro. Yeah, I need an intake, bro, because the exhaust, even though it's a stock exhaust, I can't even hear the whine, bro. It does go through gas quick, though. Not gonna lie. Too close to my lane, bro. I need to scoot over. No way, bro, is in the passing lane and it's not passing nobody. I could do a little pull, low-key. I'll do a... Oh, shoot. I might be a cop. Alright, let's not do a pull. It is a cop. It is not. I don't know. I'm not gonna. It is a cop. I'm not taking my chances. The hell with that. But yeah, probably gonna have to drive normal until I get away from him. But shoot. Bro, you could pull him over. Yeah, pull him over. Ain't no way, bro, gonna get pulled over right now. He is getting pulled. That's crazy. Watch him light him up. Bro, you gotta watch for cops, bro. Luckily I spotted him before I did that pull. Bro, that would've been bad. I'm finna get off right now because I'm not finna do anything crazy with him nearby. That's probably gonna be it for tonight. I'll try and record something tomorrow because I think I'm gonna go on a little cruise, go on a little drive with his one guy I met on the freeway. He got a Challenger, wide body RT. We're gonna see what that's talking about. But yeah, I'll probably record it. Some good content. It's loud too, but his car sounds good. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright, what is up, YouTube? It's like 2 days later. It's Friday today. I bought the car Wednesday, but you know, I just thought I'd getting a little quick POV real quick. I was gonna do the hat mount, but it did not really work. And then hold up, I did install these like carbon fiber like things on the vent. I don't know, I like them, but no, I might take them off. But I don't know, I'm gonna leave them on for right now because I don't know, I feel like they help the interior. But yeah, I just got some Panera and I'm going back to the house right now. I'm gonna wait behind the cop, that looks like, yeah. Boy speeding off. Anyway. Alright, there you go. I don't know why everybody going so slow. But yeah, this car just like ups and goes, like, bro, it's crazy. Let's see if we can hear the whine in the tunnel. That's crazy. Yeah, we're just getting crazy. Hold on. The windows up so you can hear it more.